Welcome to online training and testing schemes in wine education. We are together in the part 1 of Italy and Italian wine. An overview about Italian wine from maps, key facts, most important wine regions, climate, grape growing and soil types, historical overview, grape varieties, wine styles and winemaking, specific wine terms, important peculiarities, leading procedures, examples for levels. Italy is home of huge array of wines, regions, grape varieties, and wine styles. From the misty, lush rolling hills of the north to the surf-drenched hills of Tuscany, Umbria, the Marche, and Abruzzo, to the southern lands of Puglia, Calabria, and Basilicata, while not forgetting the islands of Sicily and Sardinia. The home of Chianti, Barolo, Prosecco, Valpolicella, Soave, Orvieto, Etna, Italy has a rich and diverse wine heritage dating back more than 4,000 years. Famous for its bewildering diversity of both grape varieties and wine styles. Italy is also significant for the sheer volume of wine it produces. Italy is divided into 20 administrative regions, all of which produce wine and all of which contain several wine regions. The most significant, when both quality and quantity are taken into consideration, are Tuscany, Piedmont, and Veneto. Italian wine is produced in every region of Italy. Italy is the world's largest producer of wine, with an area of almost 700,000 hectares. And their vineyards, cultivation, and contributing of almost 6 billion liters of production. Italian wine is both exported around the world and popular domestically among Italians, who consume an average of 42 liters per capita, ranking 5th in the world wine consumption. Italy accounted for 19% of global production, ahead of France and Spain.